The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending force since the crypto market decline of May 2022. The ALGO token was exchanging around 77 cents when the land disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost pointedly tumbled to 37 cents in a couple of days. After some combination, the cost additionally tumbled to 27 cents that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 28 cents. According to our Algorang cost forecast, the coin will carve out opportunity to recuperate from this defeat before it can turn productive. Vantage ALGO, the immense potential. For installments, coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point in any place, and the confirmation of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the most minimal expenses. Algorand-savvy agreements are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be certain that the program ran without mistake and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, certainty, security, and cost adequacy. Algorand can consequently implement custom guidelines and rationale, from just characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. Algorand are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and PyTeal, a Python language restricting. ALGO coin is a cryptographic money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary standards, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their exhibition and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will more often than not send and get installments in their ideal money by means of Algorand shrewd agreements as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Most recent news on Algorand organization. A ton of the things in the crypto market rely upon the moving news and feelings of the merchants and financial backers. In this way, watching out for what's going on in the crypto world becomes crucial. Algorand coin has seen a great deal of acknowledgement in the ongoing year. One of the top organizations is among FIFA and Algorand. The Algorand organization will turn into the authority blockchain of FIFA. In this association, Algorand will help FIFA in fostering the computerized resources procedure, while FIFA will give sponsorship resources. El Salvador has additionally collaborated with Algorand to make blockchain framework. Another significant association is among Algorand and Symbol. With this combination, Algorand will have a security collaborate with the BTP mix. This will assist the Algorand with systems administration be more assorted and lively. In addition to that, the flying organization Air Europa has declared that it will team up with Algorand. Algorand blockchain will be utilized to mint Air Europa's NFTs. TravelX will likewise be important for this joint effort and assist with broadcasting Europa span the actual transportation world with the blockchain. This will make Air Europa the very first carrier to utilize blockchain for stock circulation and the executives. And that is not the end. Algorand has held hands with a ton of other immense organizations, like LimeWire, NJ, NY Gotham FC, HipJump Craftsman DMC, Symbol, and some more. Each of this shows the strength and steadiness of the Algorand blockchain, and its reception will help the symbolic cost. Algorand value expectation, 2022 to 2026. The brain research of merchants assumes a significant part in market opinion. Crypto costs are exceptionally delicate to the group's mentality towards giving a significant value activity to any computerized cash. Subsequently, never neglect to do itemized research on a crypto forecast prior to putting your cash. The ongoing cost of Algorand waits around 32 cents with a market capitalization of $2,240,319,634 with a flowing inventory of $6,973,060,244 ALGO. The Algorand People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, driving a change regardless. Sell Algorand at the obstruction level and purchase Algorand at the help level. This technique can assist financial backers with making a momentary benefit. Before we start our Algorand cost expectation, how about we concentrate on the value history of the token? Toward the finish of 2019, the Algorand cost exchanged around 25 cents, while in only 2 months, the ALGO cost shot up to 49 cents. Later in 2020, ALGO cost denoted a precarious fall during the walk crash, and afterward, it recovered its lost force. The cost again went to 66 cents in the following 5 months. At long last, after some highs and lows, the ALGO token contacted the $1 mark. Financial backers began booking their benefits at the $1.70 mark, and the offering prompted a cost fall. After some solidification, the cost came to $2.37 toward the finish of 2021, where we again saw a specific selling. The ALGO value attempted to arrive at a similar level again threefold yet fizzle before the cost could recapture force. The whole crypto market saw an accident this year, and from that point forward, the Algorang coin has been battling to start the upswing, as indicated by our drawn-out ALGO cost expectation. The Algorand cost could reach 5 cents. With a 5-year speculation, your ongoing venture might be debased. The Algorang Conjecture assesses the most extreme cost to hit 3 cents toward the finish of 2023 and 2 cents toward the start of 2024. As per our Algorand cost expectation 2023, the token is anticipated to cross a normal cost of 46 cents initially. The normal greatest cost of Algorand toward the finish of 2023 will be 47 cents, and the normal least cost will be 40 cents. According to the Algorand cost gauge, a decent pinnacle of 60 cents by December 2022 makes certain to scale. An aggressive bullish standpoint for 2022 has been made by a crypto cost expectation stage, as it claims 2022 will be an immaculate year for Algorand toward the year's end. It might contact the characteristic of $1.39. As per our ALGO cost forecast, the cost could reach as high as $10.19 in the following 5 years, as indicated by our Algorand expectation. The token is entering a profoundly cutthroat and merciless space, off-chain scaling, given the posting on regarded stages, and is the brainchild of great tokens. A cost flood above 70 cents toward the finish of 2025 can positively be anticipated. A regularly noticed characteristic of Algorand projection is that it has shown the most unpredictable and fluctuating conduct like other digital currencies. The brain research of clients incredibly drives the crypto market feelings. Remembering this, underneath are the Algorand cost expectations for coming years. Algorand Value Forecast 2022. With organizations in local area subsidizing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close 60 cents, which is plus 81.81% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand gauge, yet most likely practical, as opposed to expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon tomorrow. According to our Algorand cost forecasts, the base cost of the coin might be around 20 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. As per Algorand Expectation 2023, with any progressions in strategies and guidelines, Algorand may have its portion of cloudy days at its cost showing some opposition. According to our Algorand cost figure, the coin could cruise tranquilly around 50 cents with a greatest cost of 68 cents and least cost of 30 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play steady. Algorand Value Forecast 2024. In the event that Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and essentials, the ALGO coin could reflect enormous development in the impending years. It wouldn't be a misrepresentation to find that Algorand cost will scale to a pinnacle of 75 cents, which is plus 127.27% to the most recent costs. Sometime or another, however, the equivalent can't be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light reach. In light of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 40 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. Algorand has proactively embraced the POS system and accordingly has gigantic development anticipated in the impending years. The future value energy is really splendid for Algorand. In view of our Algorand